Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable or enable your alarm notifications on your Nintendo Switch. To do this, you'll need to move your stick to the right when you're in main menu by like this till you reach the settings. Now press A on the settings, go down with your pushing your stick down like this till you reach notifications. Now press the stick to the right like this and go down again and reach the alarm notification settings. Now press A, and from here you can adjust notifications in sleep mode, and you press A on it again and you can choose the option for only LED or LED and vibration. Now we go back B with back and notifications while playing. You can disable or enable that if you prefer. I'm gonna leave that disabled like that. And you can check and delete your alarms. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.